What's up, guys? It's Clay, and today I'm doing a theory on Avengers Endgame. So this theory will involve the quantum realm. Now, for those of you that are familiar with Ant-Man and the Wasp, when he goes into the quantum realm to find the quantum healing particles, he ends up going past these like bubble-looking things, and those are believed to be other realms that you can access through the quantum realm. So this theory today is going to talk about the fact that what if one of those other realms is actually the soul realm. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the soul realm, it's, according to the comic books at least, it's a realm in which the souls of people that died because of or for the soul stone, in order to get the soul stone or whatever, like Gamora in Infinity War, that's where their souls go when they die, and it's like another world completely separate from the world we know. And so this quantum realm theory is that what if there's multiple ways to access the soul realm? Because you can obviously access the soul realm using the soul stone, because that's what takes you to the soul realm. But what if there's other ways you can access this also? And that's where the quantum realm might come into play. I think that in Avengers Endgame, they're going to use the quantum realm to, in some way, access the soul realm, whether they have to fly into the other realm in the quantum realm, whether they can just go into it, whether they have to go somewhere else in order to get something that they can then access the soul realm with. I don't know, but I think there's a connection between the soul realm and the quantum realm. Now we know, or at least we believe, that the soul realm is part of the MCU, because we see it in Avengers Infinity War. After Thanos snaps his fingers, we see him talking to a young Gamora with like this orangish background and stuff. And so many people believe that that's the soul realm, and that Thanos was affected by the snap and he actually died, but he was able to come back because he had the soul stone. Now, I also believe that this is the soul realm, and if it is, then that means that we have proof that the soul realm actually exists within the Marvel Cinematic Universe. And if it does, and it can be accessed by other ways, what a better way to do it than to have it be in the quantum realm? Because I know Endgame is supposed to kind of focus on them using the quantum realm for something, and it's believed that it's going to be time travel, but what if it's not? What if they use it to have either all the Avengers or some of the Avengers either are able to go into the soul realm through the quantum realm, or they go into the quantum realm to do research on the soul realm so that they can establish a way that they can reverse what happened and bring people out of the soul realm. And we have people in the MCU like Tony Stark, like Bruce Banner, like Shuri, who could create something, if they were able to, that they could use to move in and out of the soul realm if it was accessible that way. And so I think the white suits that we see in one of the trailers for Avengers Endgame, if they actually use them in the movie, I think these white suits might not be space suits, they might be quantum suits, but they're not just suits that allow them to go into the quantum realm. What if they're suits that allow them to pass through these other realms also, not just the soul realm, but all the other realms within the quantum realm? And so this theory is that if they can find a way or if they can figure out that the soul realm can be accessed through the quantum realm, then maybe that's what they'll end up using it for in Avengers Endgame. Now, there's no proof that it's in the quantum realm. There's no proof that you can access it throughout other means, but I believe it exists because of that scene we get in Infinity War, and we kind of established the fact that there's other realms within the quantum realm that you can access, which is what those little bubbly blob looking things are in Ant-Man and the Wasp when he goes in looking for the healing particles. So I think it would be a neat idea. Whether or not Marvel's gonna do it, I don't know, but I do think it's a neat idea, and I hope that we can at least find more evidence at some point that says that this is part of the quantum realm. And it's not probably ever going to be proven, but again, this is just a theory. And what if this is why they have in Avengers Infinity War, they kind of have Doctor Strange like give up, right? Because he knows that if he gives up, then he'll save Tony, and that because he's seen the future and he knows what could happen in different scenarios. And so what if one of those scenarios involves them finding the soul realm through the quantum realm? And if Ant-Man is trapped in the quantum realm for a little bit, at least at the beginning of the movie, because he was in the quantum realm when the snap occurred, what if he discovers this other realm, and when he gets out, he tells Tony Stark about it, who can then create something to get them into this realm, and Doctor Strange's vision of the future involved this, and then they can either go into the soul realm and figure out what the plan was by talking to Doctor Strange in the soul realm, or they can just figure out that the soul realm exists and then try and create a way that they could bring people back out of it. Even if they can get in and out, maybe someone else can't because they don't have that special suit, if that's what it's used for. So this is just my theory. I was just thinking about, ways that they could access the soul realm, and I said, well, hey, maybe it'll be in the quantum realm. Now, this is just a theory. It probably won't happen, but you never know. So I enjoyed doing this, and it might be far-fetched a little bit, but I think it would be neat, and it's just an idea. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a short video today, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave a comment down below if you think this theory makes sense, if you think it'll happen in Avengers Endgame before Endgame comes out in, I think, 3 weeks. So please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.